So this bar sleeve grip, once I get it, I can start from these. Let's say I start one, right? I scoot under first, put my hook in. If he grabs my other leg break, it'll right to the spider guard on this side. Okay. Now from here, I'm letting go, getting my hook in first, right? And when I hook in, I'm kind of sitting on his big toe here. That's where my hips are. I don't want to be like on the outside of his foot. I don't want my butt too far from his foot. I want to hook in and sit on the big toe. And then I grab the heel. Okay? So from there to here, there's a million different options too. I don't have to play sit-up guard. I can try to take him over this way. You could try to go for a tripod sweep and dump him back. But like I said, if I have this back sleeve, I might as well go for the sit-up guard because this sleeve is a really difficult one to get. Okay? So from the bicep, I go to the knee, I kick the knee, and that's what helps me sit up. Don't forget, this is help pulling me, this is helping, and I'm dropping my hook. You can even do a little swing if you need to. And then quick hug around the leg. I'm trying my best to make this handoff happen, right? Occasionally I'll try to hand off and he'll rip out before I have a chance to hand it off. But normally when he rips out, he's probably going to use that hand to try to take my foot off of his knee, right? He doesn't like his base being spread out. So that's why I keep the foot on the knee, because as he grabs it, look, I get my grip back. Break it, and now I'm back to it, okay? So usually, even if they break the grip, I'll still sit here and fight for it. I'll still continue to try to hunt that back sleeve. But if he's really savvy, he's really aware, he takes the sleeve back, and he doesn't give it back to me no matter what, then I'm going to switch to this sleeve, okay? And with this one, I don't really need to grip the material the same way. I'm really just kind of pinning his wrist to his leg, and then I'm making a monkey grip around everything. You guys see that? Yeah, if you can't see, I'm going to this side, I think. It's hard for you guys to see, but I'm basically hooking my hand all the way around his wrist and pinning it to his own leg, okay? So I can't hold him here all day like this, but I can hold him here long enough to go for my sweep, okay? So I'm holding really tight, my foot comes off the knee, my hand's going to dive under this way, and I'm going to fall on my back with my head as close to his foot as I can get it. So I'm falling all the way under this way, okay? Once we fall, it's very easy to take him over. He doesn't have the hand to base out with, right? And then we basically end up in an over-under position. So when we first land, we're both going to be on our backs a little bit. Make sure you get to your knees first. Once you get to your knees, you can, figure out what guard pass you want to use. But if you fail to get to your knees first, he might scramble and get back on top. So first, get to your knees, and then second, you can go for the over-under pass that is here, or if he puts you in the half guard, fine. At least you're on top, at least you're pretty fresh. Right? So one more time. Here. Right here, looking for that other sleeve. Boom. And then once we're here, inside, hand on the heel, kick away, try to make the sleeve grip happen, do your best, take your time, try to make it happen. If he's really, really aware of it, then I go to the sleeve. Okay? And it depends. This arm sometimes might be holding my shoulder. This is pretty common, so if that happens, what I'll do is I'll push the grip off this way and then feed it back. Or if he's holding a little higher over my back like this, then I'll reach behind my head this way. Pull the grip off and feed it around that way. Okay? So however I can feed and pin his wrist to his leg and confirm that grip, I'm going to do it. Now the foot comes off first, my hand goes under. I'm not diving my head through. Okay? Just my hand. And I'm falling to my back. So I'm going here. So you can see, as I fall, I'm going to start to pull his knee inward on this side. Very big detail. I don't want to bring it into the mouth when I fall in the right. So I have to keep everything on this side very tight. You're going to see his knee start to turn right about now. See the knee bend in? Here, try to maintain a little bit. Right about here. I don't want his leg to pass over me like this. Right? I'm just gaping full mouth. So I want to make sure I keep a good bite on that grip. So we're here. Right? Oh, I didn't have anything on that sheet. So I go 1, take that off. 2, and my chest is as close to his knee as I can get as I fall. See that? And then right away, look for your pass. Ideally, you'll pass before he has a chance to put you in a half guard or anything. Try to just throw him right on the leg. If he does put you in a half guard again, big deal. Just pass. Questions? Yeah, shoot.
The person on top, should they turn that hand so that it avoid getting kind of...
Oh, like straight on that? Yeah, I won't even really try to hold the grip unless I can turn this hand down. Because if it's palm up, it's kind of weird to monkey grip around it. Yeah, like if you're on your feet and And if your arm kind of stays like this, it sort of feels weird. It feels like you can rip out of it for some reason. Yeah. Whereas if I get this, I feel like I can at least hold for a second here, right? I don't know why. I think this conforms a little better. So yeah, I won't really I won't commit to the sweep unless I have like this. Yeah. Any other questions?
That's cool.
Yeah.
Can you talk a little bit more about your, maybe understood with the initial grip that you had, the 2-on-1? Are you doing that like standing, sitting down with the 2-on-1 grip, or are you just like when you start sitting and grab?
The very
Initial
first
2-on-1.
Yeah, like normally when we're here, I'm trying to prevent him from grabbing my legs. And that's exactly what we like to do. Yeah, so as soon as we're here, I go 2-on-1. Usually he's at a great grip. So I hold it under with one, and I hook grip with the other. And then I kick free, scoot up, and get it here. Yeah.
So you go straight to lasso with the 2-on-1.
Yep. Run the 2-on-1. You can do it standing too, for sure. You can just sit your butt and hold it in the
Grab
grass.
the action, sit straight down.
Yeah, yeah. Although from standing, I prefer to have a collar grip if I'm a pull guard because I do want to affect their posture. In this instance, his posture is already low because he doesn't want to give me his legs if I'm already sitting up. You know what I mean? If I'm like in this position and now like stand up tall and walk towards me, yeah, no one's going to do this, right? They're going to just stand up straight away. I hope they might. But yeah, usually they're going to be very low, hips way back, arms forward, head forward, that kind of thing. You know, so I don't really want him to start controlling my legs before I have a chance of doing it, especially if he gets both. And I haven't already established any kind of grip now, I'm kind of in trouble here with it. Yeah. Any other questions? Cool. All right, let's do a shot. Ready? One. Excellent.
I'm on the just make it. Developing up, so we have an opportunity to grab another sleep. So you go straight away.
With the back sleeve?
They're starting here.
When you, oh, yeah.
Can you still hold it on this? You could.
I don't normally need to grip with this hand. I usually hold the wrist up. I hold one on the actual wrist and one on the sleeve. Yeah, usually from here, I have to deal with this. Yeah.